Guys, I'm back again. This is Sir Tito Will na nagpapaalalang health is wealth. So, ika nga, mas maaga nating ma-realize and mas maaga nating ingatan yung sarili natin is mas mainam. So, I'll be sharing the latest purchase that I made from TikTok. This is the Asamika Black Tea. So, I started using this a month ago. Actually, this is my second pack. Na sinubukan ko siya the first time and maganda talaga yung benefits. Asamika is well known for protecting our hearts, and it helps us reduce a lot of cancers, and it helps us to stay focused, especially sa trabaho ko. As I mentioned previously, I work as a call center agent as a tech. So, focus is kailangan to perform our task. Siyempre, different Americans ang kausap ko earlier, and one of the great additions na to stay focused is this Asamika Black Tea. Actually, ni-replace ko kasi mahilig ako sa kape. Siyempre, pag graveyard ka, caffeine talaga yung bumubuhay sa amin as a call center agent. I'll try to replace this one. So, instead na magkape, switch siya to black tea. Upon switching to that, na-realize ko na mas focus ako and mas nakakatulog ako ng maayos. So, for those persons na nag-uumpisa maging health conscious, mas mainam na mag-start dito sa water intake natin. So, try natin, aside from drinking a lot of waters, try to replace some fluid intakes natin na healthy na makapag-benefit sa katawan natin. So, Asamika is a great part of doing that then. So, have a great day.